We were about to hit TP, like probably 2 pips away, and no, the market makers, or they must have heard UGFX is in the markets. They said, nah, he's not gonna hit TP today. Oh wow.
Alright, yo guys, welcome back to episode 2 of the $100 to $100,000 in payouts challenge. So, as you guys saw in the previous episode, I made my first ever payout on my $5,000 funded account. We made $160, and after the profit split, we took home $128. So yeah guys, in this episode, it's quite simple. I'm going to be taking that payout and I'm going to be buying a bigger Prop Firm Challenge account. And yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and purchase that new Prop Firm Challenge account and start trading it.
Alright, so we are back on Maven and I am going to be purchasing the $20,000 two-step account. It's on MT5 and in my opinion $88 is a respectable price, one of the cheapest actually, and considering they paid me out, I feel like it's worth it. Again, I'm not affiliated by Maven guys, so I will be moving to ftmo next, I assume. But yeah, for now I'll stick with Maven because their prices are quite good. So yeah, 1,600 Rand guys. Oh, it hurts considering that was pretty much most of my $128 payout. But it makes sense because you always want to reinvest back into the business. So yeah, let's go ahead and trade this account now. Alright guys, so yeah, we are back trading my $5,000 funded account. I'm going to be alternating between the accounts, so I'll take one trade on the 5k, then the next trade on the 20k, and so on and so forth, just to minimize risk. But yeah, so on this gold trade, the 4-hour daily and weekly are all bullish, so I decided to go in for the buy, so the range breakout as well. Now guys, I'll tell you this up front, this will be my last time trading gold. Gold just hasn't been respecting my strategy. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the market dynamics. So as you guys can see, yeah, gold just, started reversing. And this isn't the first time, guys. I think 6 out of the last 10 times I've taken gold has just absolutely violated my stop loss. So yeah, I will be taking it out of my watch list. Yeah, just a little adjustment, and let's see if my P&L can be even better when I take out gold. Nothing against gold. Again, it just doesn't work for my strategy. It could work for you guys. So yeah, you guys can have fun with gold. I am going to stop trading it for sure though. So yeah, I will be telling you guys this. Unfortunately, this trade will be hitting stop loss. And yeah, but that is completely fine. I went in risking 1%, which is $50, which will be my new risk for this $5,000 funded account. And my 20k account, I will be risking about 2.5%. So yeah, with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next trade next week. Alright, yo guys, welcome back. It is June 3rd, it is Tuesday. Didn't see any setups on Monday, but as y'all know, new day, new opportunities. So yeah, let's get to the money. Guys, I did end up executing on this trade right here. So actually, let me show you guys on the phone here. So yeah, I decided to take this trade on my funded account. It's a clean sell on GBP JPY on the 30-minute. As you guys know, I always trade. So yeah, still around about a break even, it looks like. Let's see, yeah, around about a break even. I put my stop loss above this candle, pretty much exactly how it is on TradingView. That's exactly how I have my stop loss and TP set up. So yeah, let me just show you guys the TP level. I've decided to put it at that wick because it is a strong level of resistance or support, we should say. So yeah, into a little bit of profit now, I think. Yeah, about $1 profit, $3 now. So yeah, as you guys probably saw in the previous trade, I did lose the previous trade after making the payout. So we are down to about $4,953. So let me just show you guys that. Yeah, the last trade was the gold trade, which I did lose. So yeah, now we're just gonna recover it, and yeah, hopefully we can hit TP on this trade and yeah, make a payout, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on this trade and whatever this trade decides to do. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. For now, I'm probably gonna go have breakfast, and yeah. Oh my days, guys, I literally just came down, and oh my days, look at this. What? Let's quickly check the trade. Let's check it. It was at $34. Nice to see that. As y'all can see, floating $34. Love to see that. This is what I like. When price doesn't play around and it goes, well, okay, it's not a TP yet, but it's going straight towards TP. I like that. I do like that. So I'm not going to complain at all here. So yeah, whenever this TP hits on TradingView, I'm going to close because I always go off of TradingView TP and not Maven's, because Maven is weird sometimes. So yeah, let's just see. Yeah, I'm just gonna be waiting for this to hit TP. I'm gonna be watching it, guys. So as soon as it hits TP, I'm gonna close, and I'll probably, yeah, and I'll show you guys. So yeah. Alright, trade update, and unfortunately price decided to retrace all the way back up, and yeah, so it's about to hit my break-even stop loss, unfortunately, and anytime soon. Yep, there we go. Yeah, so we got stopped out. Unfortunate, but it's okay, we'll come back in the next trade. So yeah. Alright, new day, new opportunities. This time we are on the $20,000 phase 1 account, looking to take our first trade on this account. Now, as you guys do know, I am risking about 2% on the challenge phase, simply because the goal is to not be on the challenge phase. And I don't understand why people don't risk 2% more often. As long as you're accepting of the risk, it's so worth it. So yeah, in this scenario, I am risking $400, which is 2% on the 20k account, to make let's say to make about $700-800. Yeah, so in my opinion, again guys, it is worth it, which is why I am going to risk 2% here, and let's see how SPX plays out. And would you look at that, SPX doing its thing. Love to see it. Let's see if it can actually go ahead and hit TP here. Okay, so I did end up closing my trades a little bit early, and the reason for this is because we were going into Asia session and I do not want to be holding, because I do expect this to consolidate. So yeah, rather be safe and get out here. So yeah, took my profits for the day. Alright, so next day, now we are trading the $5,000 funded account. Again, down 1% from the $5,000 mark. So yeah, continuing to risk 1% here on Euro USD. And yeah, so I will be breaking this setup down a little bit later. But the simple reason why I took it was because of the high time frame bias of being bullish. So yeah, simple as that. Alright guys, so just quick trade updates since I have entered into my $20,000 account as well. I've entered into SPX, a little bit of a late entry, and when I say a little bit, it's quite bad. I entered in there where I was supposed to enter on that candle break. So that really messed up the risk to reward. I'm targeting that wick. We are in a little bit of profit right now. So I'm risking 2% or 2.5%. Make again another 2.5%. So I do see this hitting TP. We were actually in the buy yesterday, but I exited as I told you guys because I expected this consolidation for today, and then I took the range breakout today. This is just classic understanding sessions. Obviously New York session is going to have volatility, and then Asia session is going to range. Not always, but there's a high probability that Asia session ranges and then we get a breakout. So that's why I exited yesterday and I re-entered today pretty much. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on the EU trade and the SPX trade. They both are looking decent for now. So yeah, keep you guys posted. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, trade update. It is 2 o'clock. So yeah, let me show you guys the trade update. Unfortunately, on Euro USD, we did end up taking a loss, and it ended up hitting stop loss. So yeah, unfortunate. We are now sitting on $4,900 on the funded account. Oh, I don't know. As y'all can see, the funded account. Go to history. There's a Euro USD trade, and yeah, currently we are floating -20 in the GJ trade. Alright, yeah, so we are currently in this GBP JPY trade. I'm actually gonna, let me break it down on TradingView for you guys quickly. It's not, ideal that Euro USD lost, but again, it's not really that big of a deal because, again, as I say, guys, I can literally make a comeback with one trade, which is this trade pretty much. So yeah, I entered on the breakout there. I put my TP, so let me show you guys. I put my TP there at that high. So again, the reason for entry here, we have the range, we have a breakout, and we are bullish on pretty much all time frames. So yeah, pretty much we broke the structure and we became bullish on the 4 hour, and we are bullish also on the daily. But again, the point is, on the 1 hour I saw my entries, so yeah, I decided to execute. Let me show you all the Euro USD trade, how it looks. So honestly, it looks like I just got stopped out here, like I got wicked out. Price could just reverse and continue up. That is a possibility, so I'm not gonna rule that out. Just felt like giving you guys a trade update. It's around about 3 o'clock or 2:30, close to 2:30. So yeah, I might go gym and I'll take you guys with me, so y'all get a little bit of the behind the scenes, and then yeah, we'll come back and I'll keep you guys posted. Yeah. Alright, yo guys, so we are currently at the gym right now, and yeah, I just entered another trade on my 20k phase one account. So as y'all can see, took a buy on Euro USD floating $90. So yeah, I'm just expecting price to go up on the H1. My TP is around about $571. So yeah, I'm gonna just let it play out and just continue holding. So this is the P&L for the day. Took a loss on S&P 500, and yeah, so I'm gonna let EU play out. And as for the 5k funded account, unfortunately, we took 2 losses on that today, on GJ and EU, and the account balance is at 4,845. So not ideal, but you can't really do much about it. You can look at the bright side and think you only need like a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, and I'll be back at break even. So yeah, that's about it for the day. It is 15:54. So if anything happens with EU, I'll update you guys. Otherwise, that will be it for the day. So yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, trade update. It is currently 16:27, and as y'all can see, the trade is currently, we are floating $330. We were about to hit TP, as y'all can see. Look here quickly. The wick was so close to hitting TP, like probably 2 pips away. And no, the market makers or whoever, the banks, they must have heard UGFX is in the markets. So they said, nah, he's not gonna hit TP today. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, it's retracing now. Oh wow. No. That's why I went break even, by the way. So I decided to go break even on the trade, because if this does retrace all the way, I don't want to lose money, because that would be really unfortunate. So yeah, I decided to come here to this. What's happening there? Get a popo after me.
Charles is coming for you.
You saw that payout. You saw the payout. Alright, but that's about it for now, guys. So yeah, I'll probably keep you guys updated. Hopefully this hits TP. This better hit TP. And yeah, as y'all can see, we are currently overlooking Cape Town right now. So yeah, might go home in about, like half an hour? Maybe half an hour.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Alright, but I'll catch y'all then.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am back at home. It is currently 9:30, so yeah, preparing to go sleep. However, I just wanted to pretty much clarify something for you guys, because I know something could get confusing, and that's because I'm trading on a $5,000 funded account and then the $20,000 phase 1 account. So it might get confusing for you guys to like keep track of what's happening on each account. And just to clarify everything, so what I'm doing is I'm pretty much taking, let's say if I get 2 setups in a day, then I'll take the first setup on my 5k funded account, and then the second setup I'll take on my phase 1 account, or my 20k account. And I do that because I can split the risk pretty much. So that's what happened here, guys. On Euro USD, I executed it on my funded account, but I took the re-entry on my 20k account. So yeah, just to clear up any confusion if there was any. So yeah, but anyway, This was an unprofitable day, unfortunately, but at least EU did hit TP. So it wasn't a horrendous day, but yeah, I lost on GJ, I lost on the first trade of EU, and then I lost on S&P 500, and then I won Euro USD re-entry for 1 to 2. So that covers 2 losses, but I still took a loss of 1R pretty much. Alright, yeah. But with that being said, that is it for episode 2. I'll catch you guys in the next episode where the goal is to pass the $20,000 phase 1 account. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.